Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Auto Smartphone, where today I'm bringing you one of the most exciting mid-range smartphones of 2026, the Oppo A5x 6G. This phone is already creating a buzz because it blends future-ready connectivity, a stylish premium design, and impressive hardware at a price that's still friendly for everyday users. If you're looking for a device that feels modern, runs smooth, and looks like a flagship without costing like one, then the A5x 6G is definitely worth your attention. Oppo has focused heavily on design this year, and the A5x is the perfect example. The moment you pick it up, you can't help but notice how slim, refined, and comfortable it feels in the hand. The glossy finish on the back, combined with Oppo's signature gradient colors, gives it that high-end vibe that users love. It's lightweight, durable, and stylish enough to turn heads no matter where you go. The camera module is clean and modern, and the curved edges make the phone look even more premium. This is a smartphone that doesn't just perform well, it actually feels special. Now let's talk about the performance, because Oppo has taken a big step by bringing 6G connectivity into the A-series lineup. This means ultra-fast downloads, seamless online gaming, and a smoother browsing experience than ever before. Whether you're streaming in 8K, downloading massive files, or playing competitive games online, the Oppo A5x 6G ensures there are no interruptions. Pair this with the 6GB RAM and you get a device that multitasks effortlessly. Switching between apps feels fluid, animations are clean, and even heavy tasks like video editing run smoother than expected in this price segment. Oppo has optimized the chipset beautifully to deliver efficiency along with speed, so you're not just getting power, you're getting smart performance all day long. The display is another strong point of the A5x 6G. Oppo equipped it with a vibrant, immersive screen that makes movies, games, and everyday scrolling look phenomenal. The colors pop, the brightness level is impressive, and the smooth refresh rate gives you that premium feel while swiping or gaming. Watching content on this phone almost feels like having a mini cinema in your pocket. It's ideal for users who love consuming media on the go or enjoy social media with crisp visuals and smooth response. Moving on to the camera system, Oppo has never disappointed in this department, and the A5x continues that tradition. The primary camera delivers sharp, detailed photos with excellent dynamic range, even in tricky lighting situations. Skin tones look natural, colors are vibrant but not oversaturated, and the overall clarity is top-notch for a mid-range category. The night mode has been improved significantly, allowing you to capture bright and stable low-light photos without much noise. The front camera is equally impressive, perfect for selfies, video calls, and creating social media content. Whether you're a vlogger or an everyday user who loves taking pictures, this phone gives you reliable, consistent results that look professional. Battery life is another area where Oppo has always excelled, and the A5x 6G is no different. With its optimized power management and energy-efficient chipset, you can expect a full day of usage easily, even if you're streaming, gaming, or using mobile data constantly. Oppo has also included fast charging support, so even if you're running low, you can plug it in and be back to 100% in a short time. This makes the phone practical for busy users who don't want the hassle of constant charging. Storage options are flexible as well, with the A5x providing enough room for apps, videos, photos, and games, and still supporting expansion for users who want even more space. The software experience is smooth, clean, and loaded with smart features that enhance day-to-day usage. Oppo's UI has become more refined over the years, and using this phone feels intuitive and modern. In conclusion, the Oppo A5x 6G is a perfect blend of performance, design, and practicality. It brings future-ready 6G technology, a premium feel, solid cameras, reliable battery life, and smooth performance backed by 6G RAM. For users who want a modern, stylish smartphone that doesn't compromise on capability, the A5x 6G is one of the best choices in 2026. It's affordable, attractive, and powerful, a combination that makes this phone stand out in the crowded mid-range market. If you're thinking about upgrading your device this year, this one should definitely be on your list.